if you're experiencing issues with Baldur's Gate 3 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to playing your game smoothly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or websites. If your connection is weak or intermittent, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the game client completely and restart it. This can help refresh the update process. Make sure to check for any prompts or notifications that may indicate an update is available. Step 3. Clear download cache. If the update is still stuck, clear the download cache of your game client. For Steam, go to Settings, Downloads, Clear Download Cache. This can help resolve issues related to corrupted download data. Step 4. Verify game files. Use the Game Client S feature to verify the integrity of the game files. In Steam, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3 in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Baldur's Gate 3. This ensures that you have a fresh installation and can often resolve persistent update issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and enjoy your game. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.